Welcome. In this video, I will quickly explain what to do if the battery of your ACER Chromebook 315 is draining way too fast. So in such case, first recommendation for you will be reducing your display brightness by going to Control Center and moving the slider to the left to the point where you still feel comfortable with using your laptop. This will significantly reduce your battery drainage. Also, turn off Bluetooth whenever you are not using it, since we are in this menu. And also, remove unnecessary tasks, background tasks that run in your device. To see the list of them, press Launcher and Escape button together. Launcher is the search button. It has a magnifier icon on it. And here find tabs and extensions. If you see too many extensions here, just select some of them and click End Task to turn this extension on so that it doesn't use your device's resources in the background. If you're using browser, try not to have too many tabs open, and if you regularly close unused tabs in order to reduce the RAM consuming on your laptop. And besides, let's also go to settings, and if you feel comfortable with it, you can go to System Preferences, Power, and enable Power Saving Mode by switching this toggle to the right. However, you can only do this when your device is unplugged from the power source. Also, go to Storage every once in a while, and you can find storage in System Preferences, Storage Management, and here select Browsing Data and clear your browsing data every once in a while in order to clear the storage of your device, as it also when your device has less storage in it, it also consumes more battery power of your device. Lastly, go to About Chrome OS and check for updates frequently by clicking Check for Updates right here and seeing if there are any updates prepared for your device. And also in additional details, enable automatic updates by switching this toggle to the right to keep your device up to date. And finally, you should also check Diagnostics menu here and see your device's current battery health state. If your battery health is low, which you can see right here, then at this point the only reasonable solution for you would be battery replacement, which you can do at any repair center, which I recommend you doing in such case if your battery health is low. And so that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.